This is an animal. This is like the person who tells her not to go in the house. This is an animal, and that's an animal. Okay.
This porridge is too hot. I don't really.
Oh, that we didn't ask
Stop.
research.
I need the wrong voice. Okay. Okay.
Hey guys, I think we should go on a walk. The porridge doesn't taste that good, and I'm not tired.
I agree. Oh, porridge, that looks good.
I would recommend going in that house. 3 animals live there, and they're not very nice.
No, it doesn't matter. I'll be happy for the fun. This porridge is too
I'm gonna go.
hot. This porridge is too cold. This porridge is just right. I really need a place to sit down. Oh, this chair is too big. This chair is too small. This chair is just right. Well, we're going home. Oh. We're going home. I'm tired. This